Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to reset forgotten password on Yelp app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to reset forgotten password on Yelp app. We'll start by opening up our Yelp app. So once you open up your Yelp app, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look on where it says me on the bottom. Make sure you tap where it says me. Tap right there. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, you have like two options. You can say login or you can say sign up. So make sure you tap on where it says login right there. As you see on the bottom left hand corner, tap on where it says login. And make sure you tap on your email right there. As I say email address, just tap like that. Then look all on the bottom where it says forgot your password. So make sure you tap on that, forgot your password. Then actually to enter your email, make sure you enter the correct email. And you're gonna reset it like that. You have two options. You can look in the upper right hand corner, or you can just reset on the bottom. It's personal preference. I'm gonna tap on the bottom one. Then they're gonna send you an email to your personal email. And that's how you reset forgotten password on Yelp app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.